Hello friends, when was the last time you appreciated your mother or your wife for the wonderful meal they cook for you every day? When was the last time you acknowledged the liftman for the service he does in a small closed space for almost 8 to 10 hours every day? When was the last time you appreciated the gardener for the wonderful flowers that are there in your society or in your office? Hello friends, my name is Arun Bhardwaj, and today I am going to share with you a story about how little things matter in the life of others and in our lives. Once there was a lady who was married to a businessman and they had 2 children. She used to cook delicious meal for them every single day. She took out time and effort to find new recipes, and she would make those dishes for them, and never ever there was a word of appreciation from any of them. Though it seems they enjoyed the food, because whatever food she served, it was completely gobbled up by those people and the utensils were empty in no time. But they never took time to acknowledge the same. This went on for almost 20 years, and finally she decided that one day she would try and convey a message to them. So what she did is she brought some raw vegetables, put a lot of salt in them, a lot of spices in them, and served them for the meal. As soon as they took the first bite, they shouted, "What kind of food is this? Who's prepared this food?" And the lady calmly says, "Oh, you noticed? I'm surprised, because never ever was there a single word from all of you in the last 20 years. And that is the thing that we fail to do. We fail to acknowledge the kind of efforts our parents have done to bring up us in their lives. We fail to acknowledge the contribution of our wife, our children. We fail to appreciate the good things in our friends, in our staff, in our colleagues, in the security guards, in the housekeeping staff. There's so many people who are doing their jobs to the best of their ability every single day. And we even take things granted like the sunlight, the air that we breathe, and we never possibly even thank God for the same. So I hope you like today's story. Try and appreciate people for what they do for you, what good things they have, and I'm sure it will make a world of difference to them, and it will make their day as well. So if you like the story, please press the like button, subscribe to my channel, and press the bell icon, and I shall come back to you with another story. Thank you so much. Take care. Stay healthy. Stay happy.